covering that up. Yeah, that looks pretty obvious there. Maybe I'll kind of blend it into that. Yeah, it looks pretty obvious there. And I'm running out of paint pretty bad, so. Yeah. Oh, little spot here. Yeah, we're getting it. Okay, that's about wraps it up. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I got paint on that. Okay. All right. You know, from being a hacked up bunch of holes to being painted with a brush after some hack welding. Oh, look, I missed a little spot. Oh, quick. I'm glad I saw that. Okay, yeah. Yeah, well. Well, it's not bad. Oops. Yeah, I didn't want to do that. Okay, so yeah, this is the next video. We are going to put fenders on, and we're going to go with the drivetrain. I got the back wheel. It's ready. It's over there. So yeah, Faulkner Fixes All. The only channel that paints bikes with a brush. Have a good night, man.